You can set up a professional email with Google Workspace by clicking on Settings, making sure your domain is connected, and then selecting Google Workspace. You will then choose if you want to purchase annually or monthly. We'll just go with the first one. And you'll see here it's requiring me to put in this information. Now here where it says username, this is what you want your email to be. So I might have chloe@sweetsandmoney.com. I would fill out this information, go through to payment, review it, and that would be my purchase complete. If you need to change your currency at any point in time, just click this drop down menu and you have 4 options here. Now, the enticing part of going through Squarespace is if you purchase an annual hosting plan, not only do you get a free custom domain, you get your first year of Google Workspace free. So there is an incentive to go through Squarespace. Alternatively, you can go directly through Google Workspace. And I recommend this because if it's all set up through Google Workspace, it's easy to access, everything is in one place. But if you ever decide to move away from Squarespace, you don't have to go through the hassle of disconnecting it. You might have to go through a few extra steps, and I know a couple of clients who have had bad experiences with that, which is why I recommend going through Google Workspaces directly. But again, you get the incentive here, so you decide what's right for you. Hey, if you like this video, there's a good chance you'll also like this